Hi, I'm Mark. This is Judi. We're from Denver, Colorado, and SALT changed our lives. I remember a couple of years ago during the opening keynote where Luke spoke, and he said these words that really stuck with us, and that was, "Settle your calling." And I remember thinking about that and being in kind of a season of transition in our lives, and how much that helped us just kind of settle who we are in our ministry and what we do and why we do it. And that has really kind of helped us forge ahead in ministry and be able to be the ministers that we know God has called us to be. And man, that just really affected who we are in the church.
Coming to SALT, it's not just an experience to provide you with resources for how to do ministry, but it's also a resource for your heart and soul on why we do ministry. And we left here with such purpose and passion, and I know you guys will too.